population explosion is diminishing the quality of life of everybody in this country. It is making us poorer. It is unacceptable. We just can't take million upon million upon million. It does not work. Our vision is for a Britain where people work, where people are rewarded, and where we fight our way out of this debt. It will not happen relying on big business. Come and join us and be part of the revolt, a much-needed revolt against the failed political establishment. We now give an opportunity to people to vote with their heart, to vote for what they really believe in. The Conservatives deserve to lose, but Labour don't deserve to win. We are unashamedly patriotic. We tell it how it is. We believe we can bring radical change to our country over the course of the next few years, and thank you very much indeed.